Hello, gardening friends, and welcome back. If you live in USDA zones 2, 3, 4, or 5, you might think harsh winters limit your gardening options. But the truth is, some of the most beautiful flowers in North America are native plants that have adapted to these climates over thousands of years. Native flowering plants don't just survive, they thrive. They're naturally suited to local weather, require less maintenance once established, and provide food and shelter for bees, butterflies, hummingbirds, and other wildlife. Today, we're counting down 30 stunning native flowering plants that will bring lasting beauty and vibrant color to your garden year after year. Let's get started. Number 1. Purple Coneflower. Purple coneflower is one of the most popular native perennials. Its large purple petals surround a raised orange center, blooming from early summer into fall. It's drought-tolerant, easy to grow, and loved by butterflies, bees, and goldfinches. Number 2. Prairie Blazing Star. Tall spikes of vibrant purple flowers make Prairie Blazing Star a favorite among pollinators. Butterflies flock to its blooms throughout the summer. Number 3. Wild Bergamot. Also called bee balm, wild bergamot produces soft lavender-pink flowers with a pleasant fragrance. It attracts hummingbirds, butterflies, and native bees while thriving in sunny gardens. Number 4. Butterfly Weed. This bright orange milkweed is essential for monarch butterflies. It serves as both a nectar source and a host plant for monarch caterpillars, making it one of the most valuable native flowers. Number 5. Blue flag iris. Blue flag iris produces elegant blue-violet blooms in late spring. It grows especially well near ponds, streams, or rain gardens where the soil stays moist. Number 6. New England Aster. As many flowers begin to fade, New England Aster bursts into bloom with rich purple blossoms that provide valuable nectar late in the season. Number 7. Black-eyed Susan. Bright golden petals surrounding dark centers make black-eyed Susan one of North America's most recognizable wildflowers. It blooms for months and is incredibly easy to grow. Number 8. Cardinal Flower. Few flowers match the intense scarlet color of Cardinal Flower. Its tubular blooms are irresistible to hummingbirds and add dramatic color to moist gardens. Number 9. Wild Columbine. Wild Columbine produces graceful red and yellow flowers that resemble tiny lanterns. It blooms in spring and performs well in partial shade. Number 10. Canada Anemone. This spreading native perennial forms carpets of white flowers in late spring. It's perfect as a natural ground cover for larger landscapes. Number 11. Wild Lupine. Tall blue-purple flower spikes make wild lupine a standout in sunny gardens. It also supports the endangered Carner blue butterfly. Number 12. Prairie Smoke. Prairie Smoke is famous for its unique pink flowers that transform into feathery seed heads, resembling wisps of smoke dancing in the wind. Number 13. Joe-Pye Weed. This tall native perennial produces large clusters of rosy pink flowers that attract butterflies throughout late summer. Number 14. Golden Alexanders. Golden Alexanders brighten spring gardens with cheerful yellow flower clusters and provide one of the earliest food sources for pollinators. Number 16. Shooting Star. Named for its unusual backward-facing petals, Shooting Star creates one of spring's most fascinating floral displays. Number 17. Wild Geranium. Wild geranium features delicate pink to lavender flowers and attractive foliage, making it perfect for woodland gardens. Number 18. Harebell. Tiny blue bell-shaped flowers sway gracefully on slender stems throughout summer, adding a delicate charm to natural gardens. Number 19. Blanket Flower. Its fiery red and yellow blooms resemble glowing sunsets. Blanket flower tolerates drought, poor soil, and hot summers with ease. Number 20. Prairie Phlox. Prairie Phlox forms colorful clusters of pink, lavender, or white flowers that bloom throughout late spring and early summer. Number 21, Virginia Bluebells. One of the first flowers of spring, Virginia bluebells cover woodland floors with beautiful clusters of sky blue blossoms. Number 22, Foxglove Beardtongue. Tall white tubular flowers bloom on upright stems, attracting bees and hummingbirds while thriving in sunny gardens. Number 23, Blue Vervain. Blue vervain produces tall spikes covered with tiny purple-blue flowers that bloom over many weeks during summer. Number 24, Culver's Root. Elegant white flower spikes rise above lush green foliage, creating a beautiful vertical accent in native gardens. Number 25, Wild Blue Indigo. This hardy perennial produces beautiful blue flower spikes, followed by decorative black seed pods that provide winter interest. Number 26, Swamp Milkweed. Unlike butterfly weed, swamp milkweed thrives in moist soils while providing essential habitat for monarch butterflies. Number 27, Sneezeweed. Its cheerful golden yellow flowers brighten late summer gardens and provide valuable nectar when many other flowers have finished blooming. Number 28, Great Blue Lobelia. Deep blue flower spikes create striking displays near ponds, rain gardens, and other moist locations. Number 29, Smooth Aster. Smooth Aster produces masses of lavender blue flowers that bloom well into autumn, attracting late-season pollinators. Number 30, Pale Purple Coneflower. Our final plant resembles the common purple coneflower, but features softer pink petals and exceptional drought tolerance, making it perfect for sunny prairie gardens. Native plants offer many advantages. Because they evolved naturally in your region, they require less watering, fewer fertilizers, and often fewer pesticides. Their deep roots improve soil health, reduce erosion, and help gardens survive drought. Most importantly, native flowers support local wildlife by providing nectar, pollen, seeds, and shelter for birds, butterflies, bees, and countless beneficial insects. By planting native species, you're creating a healthier garden and helping your local ecosystem thrive. Whether you choose colorful purple coneflowers, elegant blue flag iris, brilliant cardinal flowers, or towering Joe-Pye weed, native plants bring beauty, resilience, and life to every garden. Which of these native flowers is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening inspiration, and share this guide with fellow plant lovers. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!